Watch this, watch this. Look. Keep watching. Give it a second. It's the guy from Fortnite!
Hey, fucker.
Stack up the Legos. Yeah, do you want dollars?
What the fuck are you talking about?
There's going to be a big meeting. Sounds like they're trying to get you kids back to school.
We can't go back to school. There's a fucking pandemic.
They're talking.
On in his beat. Snickers. Sickers. Snices.
Tumble out of bed and I stumble to the kitchen, pour myself a cup of ambition and yawn and stretch and try to come to life.
Wherever you go, I'm always with you.